In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and set up your Microsoft Bookings account effortlessly. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft Bookings site by typing in the URL https://book.ms. Once you've landed on the site, you'll be prompted to sign in. Here, make sure you're using your Microsoft 365 account, which could be associated with either your work or your school. This is essentially your gateway to accessing all the functions and features within Microsoft Bookings. When entering your credentials, double-check to ensure you're using the correct email format, such as yourname@outlook.com or alternatively, yourname@yourcompany.com if it's a business account. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft Bookings dashboard. This is your central hub and where you will spend a lot of your time managing your calendar. Let's get comfortable with what you see here. The first thing to notice is your booking calendar. This calendar serves as your overview for upcoming appointments and bookings. You have the flexibility to view and modify these entries as needed, tailoring them to fit your schedule or business requirements. As you navigate through your bookings homepage, which should open automatically once you're logged in, you'll see options to either select an existing booking calendar or to create a brand new booking page. If you're already set up with a calendar and wish to tweak or continue using the existing setup, simply click on it to access all your bookings, making any necessary adjustments or checks. You might find this especially useful if you're managing multiple employees or resources and need a quick way to evaluate the day's or week's agenda. On the other hand, if you're starting fresh or wish to organize a separate stream of bookings, perhaps for a new project or a distinct set of services, opt to create a new booking page. This feature is great for setting up tailored pages for different types of services or departments within your business or organization. When crafting a new booking calendar, you're given full control to define the services available, set business hours, and even allocate specific staff members who will handle these appointments. Navigating Microsoft Bookings can significantly boost your productivity by keeping all your appointment-related tasks under one roof and reducing the chaos of back-and-forth scheduling. Whether you choose to stick with an existing calendar or branch out by creating a new booking page, Microsoft Bookings is designed to scale with your organizational needs, providing a seamless booking experience for both you and your clients. And that wraps up today's guide on getting started with Microsoft Bookings. Feel free to explore these features, and you'll soon find yourself mastering your scheduling effortlessly.